Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the imToken wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the imToken wallet app on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. And once you are logged in, you will end up within your wallet page. Now, if you wish to delete your account and you don't wish to use it again in the future, just tap on My Profile at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Manage Wallets, and now you will see your current wallet. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can now find the Remove button. Just tap on this button, and you will now be told that your wallet will be removed from the application, and you will also be told to make sure that your wallet is backed up. You can tap on the Remove button to remove your wallet from this application. After you remove the wallet, you still have the option to log into this account in the future using your recovery phrase. So if you wish to permanently delete your account, then you can delete this recovery phrase that you have saved somewhere. Make sure that no one else can find this recovery phrase in the future. And after you have removed every trace of these recovery phrases, it will be as if your account has been permanently deleted. However, before doing this, make sure that all of your funds have been secured and withdrawn already, as you will not be able to access your funds in the future after you have deleted your recovery phrase. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on imToken application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.